Hello. How are you all? Fine? Okay. So I will move further in the chapter of that exponents, and we were going through uh, law of exponents, right? Now, today we'll move further and we'll see another law of exponents. Okay. So before that, before starting, I welcome to all of you on my Gupta Sir Math Hub YouTube channel, and thanks to all. And I request please subscribe, like, and share. Right? Whoever come first time or whoever not subscribed yet. Okay? Please subscribe, like, and share. This is the motivations for me. Right? Okay. So we'll see the exponents. The further rule. What says the further rule of exponents? Like so, we have seen just we are going to repeat just a to the power m and a to the power n. We have seen a to the power m plus n. It means this shows this power is added. When we multiply, if base is same, then power is added. And we have seen a to the power m divide a to the power n. So we write m minus n. Again we have seen if base is same, then power is deducted. Right? If base is same, then power is deducted. Okay, these two rules we have already seen, right? Another rule we'll see, like if a to the power m and here it is n, then we multiply the power, that is a m into n. This is the another rule. This is right. These are the thumb rule that you have to follow. You have to solve like this only. So now we'll see the examples of these questions, right? How to solve this? Like you get some, suppose 9 to the power 2 and 9 to here it is minus 3, right? So here it is minus 3, here is 2 minus 3. Now you see the same situation has been arised here. 9a is 9 and power m, in place of m there is a 2 and in place of n there is a minus 3. So what says our rule? That is a 9 2 into minus 3. This says our rule because m into n. So in this case we multiply the power, then we'll write 9 to the power minus 6. Gentlemen, we'll write 9 to the power minus 6. Now how we can change the sign of this minus 6? So certainly you will write 1 by 9 to the power 6. Thus this minus is changed to the plus sign. Right? Okay. So for this just we want to elaborate more this. Now suppose there is some example like suppose you are writing a to the power minus 3, then we can write a to the power plus 3 because this minus sign changes when this goes down, right? So now as in this and this you can write these are both are equal. Now again another question will arise here, just you can note it down and we'll move further. I think you can have a screenshot also, right? So now we'll see the further examples. What is that? Okay. Now suppose question is some MCQ 5 to the power minus 2. You are given the some multiple answers like 25 and B is 1 upon 25 and C is 10 and D is that you can say 1 upon 5 to the minus 2. This is right. So what is the correct answer in this? What is the correct answer? So what will you write? How to solve this to get the correct answer? So that you know that I can write 5 to the power minus 2, we can write 5 square. This minus sign plus changes into plus sign. So certainly 1 upon, we'll write 5 into 5. So result is 1 upon 25. This is yours. So this will be the correct answer. So this will be the correct answer. Now how to solve? I have shown you. How to solve? I have shown you that you can do like that. Right? Okay. Now we'll see some another example. We'll see some another example in this question that you have seen a to the power m into n. Then power is multiplied. Right? Okay. Now we'll see some another example like suppose a to, no, this is the fourth law of exponent, a to the power m and what is called b to the power m, right? Here it is base is different, here it is base is different but power is same. Here it is base is different but power is same. Just look into this matter. Here it is a base is different but power is same. If base is different and power is same, in this case what will you write? In this case what will you write? If base is same and power is different, then we can write that is a into b power m, a into b power m, right? A into b power m. Now with some more examples we'll solve this. Suppose a to the power m is written and b to the power m, so you can write a into b to the power m. Now how we can solve this? Just see here. Now okay, suppose this law I have written here, this law I have written here, and we'll go through the example of this, right? How can we understand? Suppose 6 to the power 2 and multiply 7 to the power 2. Now we want to solve this. So as per this, so a into b, that is 6 into 7, we'll write here 6 into 7 and power 2. This is a good trick. So 6 7 ja 42 and power 2. This is your right answer. If you want to the solution, so you write 42 into 42, then you are getting the answer. The answer is same. There is no issue. You can multiply here, or either here you need not to multiply. You can write this answer. There is no issue, right? If they want the answer in exponential form, that you can write this. If nothing is given, then you have to multiply this 42 into 42, right? Getting my point? Okay, done. Now we'll take some another example in this question. How to solve? How we can solve that? We have discussed the law. And another things you can write, that is if there is a to the power 0. If a to the power 0, like suppose another fifth you can remember, a to the power 0. Okay, we'll write here, no issue. Okay. So a to the power 0. So it is equal to 1. A to the power 0 equal to 1. This is important. Anything power is 0, like 5 is power to 0, that is 1. The same thing, result is same. So a to the power 0 is 1 and 5 to the power equal to 5 to the power 0 is 1, right? Any digit, anything, x to the power 0, 1, y to the power 0, 1. Any alphabetical or any digit, 3 to the power 0, 1. So this is 1. This is equivalent to 1. Value is 1. If we put the power 0, value is 1. Now we'll take some questions that how to solve this, right? Okay. Now, first question I am taking, that is simplify. We are going to simplify. How to simplify this? Just you can note it down the question, and just I want to see who is solving fast. Okay, who can do it? Who can do these questions? Right. Now, question is 12 to the power 4. 12 to the power, just simplify this question. Simplify. 12 to the power 4 into 9 to the power 3 into 4. Okay, correct. By 6 to the power 3 into 8 to the power 2 into 27. Just you have to reduce the term. It means simplify the term. How can you simplify? Just you have to do this. Now how can you simplify? Okay. How can you simplify? How? Can anyone solve this? Can anyone solve this? how can you simplify, right? How can you simplify this? Can anyone solve? Like suppose it is a 12 to the power 4, you are seeing this 12 to the power 4. How can we break this? How can we break this 12 to the power 4? Can you write 12 to the power 4, that is a 12 to the power 4. Okay. So 12 to the power 4, how to solve this 12 to the power 4? How can you solve this? So can we write 12, can we break this 12, 4 into 3? Can we write 4 into 3? That we have seen a power m and into b power m, then we can write 8 into b power m, right? Right, it is okay, it is okay. So 4 into 3 power, here we can write power 4. Is there any issue? Is there no issue? Any issue? No issue. There is no issue, right? 4 into 3 power 3 we have written, right? 4 into 3 power 4, because we have break down this 12 power, right? Again this 12, because just here it is a 8 square, just I want to, you have to minus these things, so where we can cut this, where we can cut this, or where we can add the power also, right? So we can write 4 into 3 power 4, right? Okay, no issue. Just keep it in mind that you must collect the prime factor while solving. Get the prime factor. There will be a big question that how can we imagine that it is a 4 into 3 or 3 into 3 or 2 into 3. Nothing to worry. Just you have to get the prime factor. So this is 4. We cannot take this. It is not a prime number. So can we write this 4 2 power 2? No, this is a prime number. We can think about the prime number. So you can write 2 to the power 2 power 2, that is a 2 to the 4 into 3 power 4. Can we write? We can write. We can write. Okay, we can write. This is a 12 to the power 4, 4 into 3, 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 4. Right. Again, we'll break this. First of all, we have solved this here like this. Again, we'll take 9. 9, how can you write this 9? So can you write this 9, 3 into 3 power 3? Can we write this? Because 3 3 are 9 power 3. So first prime factors, you have to get the prime factors. Prime factorization is very much important. Prime factorization is very much important. So you have to write in prime factor, right? 3 into 3 power 3. Again here, how can you break this? So 4, you can break this 2 into 2. Can we break this? Or either we can write 2 to the power 2. Can we write? Right. Okay. Now the next step that by, and now we'll take this 6 to the power 3. How can you write 6 to the power 3? How can you write 6 to the power 3? So can we write 2 into 3? 6 is broken now and power 3. 6 is broken. That is 6 we can write. This 6 can be written as a 2 into 3. And we are following this law of exponents. Just see this and just compare with this. 2 into 3 power 3. Again, this is a multiply term. Again, how can you write this that 8 square? So how can you write this? Okay, we'll take some 2. Can we write 2 4 into 2? Can we write 4 into 2, or you can say write 2 to the power 2 into 2? 2 to the 4 to the 8. Can we write this simple? 2 to the 4 to the 8. And again we'll write this power 2. Isn't it? Right. Again this 27, how can you break this 27? Just simple, just if you don't want to do this all and everything, you can just see this, how can we break. 27 it is written Get the LCM. 3 9 ja 27 and 3 3 ja 9. It is broken down. It is broken. There is no issue. So you can write 3 to the power 3. There is no issue. 3 3 ja 9, 3 ja 27, because this 1 2 3 power is 3 power. 3 3 power 3 is to 3. Right? No issue. Okay. Up to here there is no issue. Now we'll just take this all out from the bracket. So this is a 2 to the power 2 and power 4. How can you solve this? How can you remember this a to the power m, and this is n? So we are writing m into n. Can you remember this? Can you remember this? Right? Is there same scene here? 2 to the power 2 into 4. Is there same scene here? So can we write 2 to the power 8? Can we write? Can we write? Okay. Can we write 2 to the power 8? Just think over it. Just think over it. This is nothing. You have to think over that. How can you write 2 to the power 8? Either we'll go one more line. We'll go one more line. There is no issue. I am just going to break this one more line. Okay, thus we'll get another line. We'll break this. No issue. So can we write this like this? 2 to the power 2 into 4, can you write? And into 3 to the power 4, can we write? Again 3 to the power 3, just here is a 3 power 3, it means 3 square. So this is a 3 square, so this is a 3 square and 3, right? Again here it is a 2 square, right? Again we'll go down, and here it is a 2 power 3 and 3 power 3, right? Can you write this? And into here it is 2 we have got 2 power here, and 2 2 is 4. This is a 2 power 2. Either you can break this 2 power 3 also, but no problem, I have just broken this. 2 to the power 2 into 2 and 2 to the power 2, right? Isn't it? Got it my point? And into 3.3 power 3, right? Okay. No. We'll solve this again. We'll put one another line. We'll take another line. So now here it is a 2 to the power 8. Just see, 2 to the power 8. Again 3 to the power 4. Again 3 to the power 2, 3 just 6. Again 2 to the power 2. Okay. Just this is a method to get into prime factorization, right? Again here it is a 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 3. Again this is a 2 to the power 4. Again it is a 2 to the power 2. Again it is a 3 to the power 3. Getting my point? Done. Absolutely correct. Okay, now we'll see some magic. Because we are waiting for the magic. Now here just see 3 to the power 3, and here it is a 3 to the power 3. So this power is added 3 because you are multiplying this power, 3 power and 3 power. This is a 6 power. So again this is here it is a 3 to the power 6. This cut and this cut. Both are cut. No issue. Again 2 to the power 2. Here it is also 2 to the power 2. This is cut. Okay, we are left with this. Here it is. Now what we are left with this? Can we write here? We can write here 2 to the power 8. Here just see this 2 to the power 8 and into 3 to the power 4 upon here it is a 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 4. Okay, isn't it? Okay, now just see power is 3 or 4. This both, because these are the multiplication. 3 4 7 and 3 power is left. So here it is, we can write 2 to the power 8 and 3 to the power 8 4 upon 2 to the power 7, right? Again this is in a multiplication form. 2 to the power 8, 2 to the power 7, base is same. So we'll write 2 to the power 8 minus 7 into 3 to the power 1. So answer is 2, 8 minus 7 1 and 3 to the power 4. Right. What answer we can get? What answer we can get? So, what answer we can get? Now again here we can get it 2 into, if you multiply this 4 times, 3, 3 are 9, 3 are 27, 3 are 81. So answer is 162. Isn't it? Answer is 162. This is the correct answer. This is correct answer. You can note it down. You can note it down. Or if you do not understand this, you can comment. You can comment, or you can write in a mail also that whether it is clear to you or not. But you must comment. It is necessary. With this example, I have cleared so many your doubts. And again, we are going to solve another examples. We'll take one more examples from this exponent chapter, right? We'll take another examples. Okay. We'll take another examples, right? Okay. Okay. So you can note it down, or you can have a screenshot. I'm going to delete this, right? Okay, I think you might have noted this. So, okay now, so we'll move further for the next topic and what I have decided. And this is a very good example that I am going to take. Okay, so now start with this. So again we are going to simplify one more question, and based on the law only. Because if you remember the law, you can solve the questions easily. If you remember the law, you can solve the questions easily. If you do not remember, if you do not recall the law, you cannot solve these questions. So, or either there is no need to just remember. Just you can practice, you can have a good practice, then you can remember it. So, there is a question, one very much important question that I am going to take. Simplify, it is simplify. So, question is, this is a big bracket, and 5 power 2 it is given, and here it is a 3, and again multiply, it is 5 to the power 4, again bracket is closed, and it is a divide 5 to the power 7. So this is this question is for you. How can you solve this? This is a good question. So that we know, first of all we do the brackets rule, as we know that is a board mass rule. So a board mass is applicable everywhere. Board mass is applicable everywhere. So we take the board mass B. B is for bracket. B is for bracket. So first of all we'll solve the brackets rule. We'll clear the brackets rule. So again just I'm putting bracket again. So 5 square it is okay. Just break this. You can remember this a to the power m and n. So this is a to the power m into n. Here it is just seen like this. So 5, 2, 3 are 6. You can write 5 to the power 6 and 5 to the power 4. Bracket close and divide 5 to the power 7. This is a question. Now this has been sorted out. Okay. Now 5 to the power 6, 5 to the power 4. Again, can you remember this a to the power m and a to the power n? So this is a to the power m plus n. Can you remember this? Okay, now this is the second step that we are going to follow the same things. Here it is 5 to the power 6 and 5 to the power 4. So 6 power is added. Power, what is done? Power is added 6 plus 4, that is a 10. Because power is added 10 and divide 5 to the power 7. Now again we'll keep outside from the bracket. So can we write 5 to the power 10 divide 5 to the power 7? That now another board mass rule, can we remember this? A to the power m divide a to the power n. So rule says a to the power m minus n. Every example, I think 2, 3 laws are followed here, right? So again we'll take this m minus n. So 5 to the power 10 minus 7. So 5 to the power 3. If this is answer in exponential form, if we multiply 5 into 5 into 5, answer is 125. This is the right answer. Right? You can note it down. This is a 125 answer. It is the right answer. Right? It is the right answer. Okay. It is the right answer. Another one last example we'll take from this chapter. It is very much important. So how can we are going to solve this? Another very good question. That is a you just you can note it down, and we'll see further another examples which is very much important examples. So you can have a screenshot also. You can note it down. Okay, very good. Hmm. Okay. Now you might have taken the screenshot, so I'm going to delete this. In this question that we have followed the three laws, and now we'll see some another example, right? Uh, okay, simplify will be there because we are going to simplify some another question. This is very small question, and then you can say multiple choice question. So many questions, multiple choice questions are asked from this chapter. So 3 to the power 0 question is 3 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 0 bracket close. There is a small bracket. 3 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 0 and multiplied by 5 to the power 0. Multiplied by 5 to the power 0. That this question is to be solved. It is very much easy. This is a one-liner question. But just I am going to solve this. 3 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 0. As I have discussed with you, a to the power 0 equal to 1 or any digit power, if that has the power 0, it means value is 1. Nothing to worry, so here it is 1 plus 1. Again 5 to the power 0, 1. So 1 plus 2 into 1, this is 2 is the right answer. So this is just, I have cleared the all laws, whatever I have written here. I have cleared the all laws, right? I have cleared the all laws. Okay, so now this is the right answer. Okay, so with this I complete this, and further if you want notification for the next class in advance, that you can if you subscribe this you will get the notification. Further like and share this video also, right? If you like, but by heart, right? If you think that it is really useful for you, please subscribe, like and share also. Thank you very much. Thank you.